You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast, brought to you by Hubbard Hall.
One particular story that I can share with you is failing salt spray, corrosion resistance. They're plating alkaline zinc on a rack line on Forgings, and they're failing salt spray. They're not accomplishing their goals that way. Parts look great, adhesion is fine, cosmetically look good. We get involved in finding out why. In this case, it was actually a preparation issue. And these are heat-treated forgings. So you get a lot of heat-treat scale in the nooks and crannies. And it took time to explain to the customer that, believe it or not, it's a cleaning issue. And that's hard to understand when, at the end of the line, the work looks fine, the adhesion's good.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard Hall. Better results, less chemistry.